How beautiful is this, and really easy to make. Stay tuned and I'll show you exactly what you can do to make one of your own. Hi everyone, it's Lee here. Welcome to the 7th of December, but prompt number 4 for Dephemerember 2023, which is clocks and wings. So we've done 3 so far. That's day 1, day 2, and day 3 was this shaker envelope, which is, I love this. I'm really chuffed about that one. And today with clocks and wings, what I'm going to make, I'm going to do it on the back of that page. And this is just a little prototype that I made when I was trying to figure out how big it should be, etc. From a magazine page. So what I did was found the center, and then I marked the base, which is 3 inches wide, and then I took out another 2 markings 1.5 inches either side of that, and so I folded it at the 1.5 and the 3 inch mark on each side, so it comes like that and it opens up. So this will glue down onto the actual page, and I thought what I'd do is attach this acetate butterfly, and so as it gets opened up, the wings open outwards. So that's the plan, Stan. So I have a piece of coffee dyed paper for my clock portion. I've got a die cut of a clock, and I've also got some clock stickers, so I thought I might use that and use a couple of stickers. Alrighty, so the first thing I need to do is find the center of this piece of paper. Okay, so that's my center. So I want to be 3 inches wide, the base piece. I mark it just ever so lightly. So I want to go 1.5 inches either side of that. So it'll be folded there and there, and then 1.5 inches further out there'll be another fold there and there. So I need to fold there, and then I need to fold at this other mark, and I'm just using the edge of the paper to keep it straight. So I've got my first 2 folds in, and on the other side I'll do the same thing. So I've got to fold there, and I've got to fold there. That fold and that fold will go into there. So that fold goes in, that one goes out. Alrighty, so that's my base. Now my page is over here. So I just want to see how big that's going to be on the page. Whether it's too big or not. Really, I think that's not too bad. Centrally located there. Should be alright. But the thing I'm thinking of, if that's going to be a writing space, then you've got this lumpy thing underneath. So I'm going to get a different page, because that's not much of a surface for writing on. I think that's better. What I need to make sure is that I'm putting it in the right way, because my rings aren't central. I just need to make sure this is... No, so good thing I checked. I do want to put something fancy along the edge there, so I've got a couple of punches that I'll decorate the edge with. Okay, so I've got a nice little corner punch here, and then I've got this one that I can put all the way down the edge. So firstly I want to decorate the outside, these sections here. I'm going to use this piece, and I'm going to cut this down ever so slightly, because this is just a little bit short, but I think the butterfly looks nice on this. Now I want to put a couple of these stickers on the background. I've had these stickers for a long time and I just want to use them before all the sticky goes out of them. So where's my clock? There we go. So on this one I'm just going to put one of these. There's that one. Now, oops, just tore the sticker. That's alright. It won't matter because you won't see that much of it anyway. So this one I'm going to put up here, cut the excess off. That's where it tore, so it'll work out okay. Pop down here. That's fine. Now this one is going to go inside somehow. So I don't want to cover up all of the right, because it's a writing spot. I don't want to cover it all up completely. So you could write there as well, and there, and inside. So let me just think. Maybe this should go outside. I should go, oh, well what I'm going to do is cut it in half. So what I will do with it is put it on the outside somewhere. Just going to cut off that. Cut off that. So I'll have one maybe here, or could have one just above, and then another one on the edge. Maybe that can go on the inside. Let's trim it a little bit more. Okay, so what I want to do is this edging. Alrighty, so they're both done. So that's what they look like on the other side. Alrighty, butterfly is now cut out. Rather than cut it straight down the middle, I'm thinking I might just cut one wing off and have the body on one side, though it does fit better when it's sliced right down the middle. I've just got to make up my mind about that. Okay, I'm going to think about that for a bit, but in the meantime I'd like to do a little bit of stenciling or something on this because it's a bit dull. I'll cut out the other butterfly that it was attached to that one, and I'll probably pop that on there somewhere. So I'm just going to get one of my stencils and just decorate that a little bit. So I'm going to use cracked pistachio. It's a distress oxide. Try not to take it up to that straight edge because I don't like that straight edge. And I'm going to do just a little bit of frayed burlap. Just in a couple of places. Just for that little bit of contrast. Okay, so I need to make this decision. I'm going to cut it up the middle, only because it fits better. I'm going to glue that on with some art glitter glue. So it dries clear so it won't show through that, hopefully. Want to get it as close to the edge without letting it go over, because by doing that then it'll catch on the other side. I'm just got to be careful over here, make sure no glue comes through. Okay, so there's one bit done. Put the other one on. Okay, really liking that at the moment. I have that other butterfly which I'd like to put on the background page. Yeah, I'm going to put it in the corner. Now I'm thinking just a little bit of something for texture, a bit of cheesecloth and some thread perhaps. Rightio, so I've got some muslin and some threads, and what I'm going to do is attach the muslin to this back piece rather than attach it to the page. And then I've got some threads here. I think I'll go with the brown. Place that there, and I'm going to use the glue that I glue this on with to hold that down. So I'm going to glue there, and I'm going to glue there, just a little bit down each side, touch in the middle, not too much. Try not to put my fingers in it. Oops. Well, I hope it's straight because it's stuck. So I've got some white acrylic ink here, paint, I should say. So I'm just going to do a little bit of splattering, not too much. And I'm just going to go around the edge with stabilo. Just pop an Effie in there. I need to trim him off a little bit. And then I think I shall just dampen that stabilo a tiny little bit, just so it activates. Alrighty, there it is. So the splotches are still a bit wet, but I have clocks and wings is the prompt for today, and I've made a fold out journaling spot, and you can also fold it that way, and there's journaling space available there. So that's done. Let me just do my butterfly's antennae. There we go. Let me know in the comments what you think. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it's given you some ideas. Don't forget to check out the hashtag, which is Dephemerember, and see what everybody else is doing. And just have a go, basically. You don't have to do exactly what everybody else is doing. You just do your own thing. You don't have to have all the bits and pieces that everybody else has got. Make what you want with what you've got. And I'll see you in the next one. So the prompt for the next day, which will be on the 11th of December, is Halloween meets Christmas. Okay, we'll catch you in the next video. So take care, happy crafting, hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo!